Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Then enter the model number of graphic card Radeon RX 6600 XT Eagle 8G. After that click on product and then click on name of title. And then click on support. Select the operating system Windows 7, 10, 11. All operating system installations process same. So this is NVIDIA driver, this is size, and this is download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. It will take some time, depend about your internet. And completed, then click on three dot and then click on download. Then it is completed, then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that, this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that, this is installing. It will take some time and it is completed all driver. Then restart your system. Then